Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to import data directly from Google Sheet into Frappe ERPNext using the Sheet apps. This is extremely useful if you want to sync external data, manage bulk entries, or automate data import from Google Sheets. I have installed and configured the app, tested it fully, and I'll walk you through the complete setup and import process step by step. So this app is available on GitHub, created by Gavin D'Souza. So thanks to him, and really appreciate the effort and make it open source. This app particularly allows seamless integration between the Google Sheets and Frappe. So you can fetch and import sheet data directly into your system. Here we have the key features like automated imports. We can schedule the recurring import with built-in cron support like hourly, daily, weekly, or custom cron expressions. Worksheet to Doctype mapping. By creating the Google Sheet, we can map the individual worksheet to any Frappe Doctype with fine-grained control. Insert and upsert modes. Insert new records or intelligently update existing records while inserting a new one. Incremental sync. This tracks the last import row, only fetch new data to subsequent runs. Built on Frappe data import. It leverages Frappe's native data import engine for reliable and auditable imports. Credential security. Service account credentials are stored as private files with enforced permission checks. Now how it works. First we have to set up the Google service account and upload the credentials, and then we can create a spreadsheet document by pasting the sheet URL in system. Then we can map the worksheet to target Doctype, and then we can set the import frequency. Sheets will handle it rest. Each import fetches only new rows, since the last sync generates a CSV, creates a Frappe data import record, and enqueue the import job full audit trail via data import logs. Now to install this app, here are the process. We can install the app on our site, and then we can configure the Google service account and upload the credentials. Now in the system, once the app is installed, if I go to the spreadsheet settings, so I have already done the Google service account credentials, so that we have to upload here. Once that is done, we can go to the spreadsheet, we can click on new and paste the Google Sheet URL. So now this is my record where I have, let's say, we can test two things. I can remove one row, then I can re-edit. Now we have 4 records which I have to create in the system, and I have to copy the link of the URL and paste it in the spreadsheet. So I'm going to the spreadsheet list. Here I have created one where we can see the sheet name and the sheet URL, and this basically we have the map doc type. So here we have a customer, then system will auto fetch the worksheet ID, and then we have more details like counter. System will automatically reset it once the import is done, and the import type, whether it is an insert or upsert. We can make these checkboxes if you want to skip failures or don't send the email. For now, I'm skipping that. After that, we have a import settings where we can set the frequently. So it means it will run every 4 minutes. We can make it hourly, daily, or weekly based on our requirements. Here I'll select custom. Let's make it 2 minutes. Let's save this. Now one schedule job type will be auto created. Let's check that. Scheduled job type list. Here we can see system created one cron, and it will run after 2 minutes. Now we have 4 records, and if I go to the customer list, let me reload. Oh, I have to delete this. I have created it earlier, so let me delete and we can see it real time. So I don't have any customer created on today. Let's go back to the schedule job type. Let's execute it. Let me open the log. So log is completed. If I go back to the customer list, we can see 4 records are created. Now, if I open the spreadsheet list, we can see counter is set to 5. Now, in the spreadsheet, if I update the record, let's say we have added one more record. Now if you go back, once the cron will again run, let me run the cron from the scheduled job log. Let's execute it again to check whether it is adding a new record or not. So we can see there is a 2 logs and it is completed. So if I open the customer list, we can see now it is created, and it is created 1 minute ago. So similarly, like we can keep adding the new data in the sheet and it will auto update based on the cron. So I hope you like the video, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.